Hi, this is Bob from Bob's Grading. You can reach us at bobsgradinginc.com or 414-750-3002, 414-750-3002. We're here in Mukwonago, Wisconsin, and we just finished a recycled asphalt resurfacing project on this gravel driveway that was here before. And recycled asphalt is basically just ground up road. They run through a mill, and I can take a look here. So it's just going to be basically ground up asphalt. So it's going to have the tars, asphaltic cement that's left in it. So over time this will bond together and stick and be a little less dusty than a typical traffic bond driveway. It's not perfect for all applications. It does have its place, and it does need to be put down a little thicker. It's hard to skim coat with this material because it does need to bond to itself. But it does work good to give you a nice rural driveway that's less dusty and, in theory, less prone to potholes and things like that. So in this particular case, they have asphalt and concrete up by the house, and the main entrance coming in is asphalt to the first residence. But this mid section, to save cost, has been left recycled asphalt. And about 20 years ago, we did the original overlay of asphalt, recycled asphalt. So this is just kind of a thick refresh after probably 15, 20 years. So it holds up pretty well. Obviously, you got to be mindful of snow plows and things like that. Yeah, here occasionally you'll get some chunks of the old road. So, but give us a call. Visit our website, bobsgradinginc.com. We're in the Mukwonago area. We service the southeastern Wisconsin area, and can definitely help you out with your driveway resurfacing needs. We do other residential grading work, new lawn installations, and such. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 414-750-3002. Glad to discuss your project with you and see if it's the right fit, and go from there. So thank you very much for watching my video.